Financial freedom unlocked, 9 money-saving hacks for a thriving wallet. Life hack. Enroll in as many online courses as you can. You are likely to spend less on tuition and incur fewer commuting expenses. Life hack. Avoid paying the full price for your textbooks. Save money on course materials by renting or purchasing used books, and consider affordable digital versions offered by publishers. Life hack. Secure a part-time job with flexible hours. Opt for student-friendly jobs that allow you to balance academics and social life, offering both financial support and valuable transferable skills, fostering confidence in achieving your goals. Life hack. Split the expenses of living. Save money in college by either having roommates, living at home, or moving in with extended family members near your school. Life hack. Utilize your student ID for benefits. Explore various student discounts that may not always be advertised, and remember to inquire about potential savings for college students before making full-price purchases. Life hack. Ask about computers available at no cost or at a low price. Check if your college provides free or discounted laptops, and explore the option of buying low-cost, used high-end computers from salvage departments or surplus sales, possibly requiring only a new hard drive. Life hack. Minimize car ownership if you can. Opt for walking, biking, or public transit to save money compared to the expenses of gas, insurance, and continuous vehicle maintenance. Life hack. Decline credit cards. Avoid potential credit troubles by using a prepaid Visa gift card for free online trials, especially if you lack financial savvy and budget discipline. Life hack. Collect complimentary swag. Attend campus events such as career fairs and student orientations to snag free items like t-shirts and school supplies. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.